Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to search PubMed. This tutorial is aimed at folks who are new to PubMed. If you are new to PubMed, it's a free search engine for biomedical and life science literature. PubMed is a very powerful tool for researchers in the allied health science field. At Harcum College, I often recommend PubMed to students that are doing research in the PTA, OTA, nursing, and dental programs. PubMed has 36 million citations focused on biomedical literature. It is produced by the National Library of Medicine and the National Institute of Health, which are both government organizations. PubMed is not 100% full text, but many of the citations do have links to the full text of articles. It is free and open to the public and does not require a password. So let's look at how to find PubMed. So let's look at how to get to PubMed. So I mentioned that PubMed is on the open internet. It doesn't require any password to access it. So the quickest way to find it is just to type in PubMed into the address bar of your preferred browser. I usually add .gov at the end, and this will redirect you usually to pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, and I'll put this link in the description bar. So this is the search interface for PubMed. You can type in your keywords in here, and I'm going to show you an example search with this topic, vertebral fracture rehabilitation exercises. So I'm not doing anything fancy, but with the keywords, and I'm just going to hit search. So here is our sample search result page, and now let's look at how to filter these results. So the filters on PubMed search results are very powerful. The first one that I want to show you is how to limit by date. So there are two ways. One way is to use this scrolling bar where you can drag the button over to show you just to limit your results. The other way is if you scroll down to the bottom of this result the filter list, there is a way to filter by publication date right here. So you limit by 1 year, 5 years, which is very often the case in allied health science research, 10 or custom range. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the 5-year mark. And so that limited my results to only articles published in the last 5 years. The other filter that I like to use is this free full text. So while PubMed itself is not 100% full text, many of the citations in your result list will have links to full text. But I like to eliminate anything that isn't full text so that I can access the articles today. So if you hit this free full text filter, it will eliminate any articles that are not available immediately from the database, and you should see these this little text here for free article, free PMC article. These mean that there are links in the result page for the full text of this article. And then finally, very often in allied health science research, we do care about the type of study that was conducted, and sometimes your instructors will require that you use a specific type of study, and randomized control trial, like systematic review, those are very common, so you can limit your results further by the type of study. Okay, and the next we're going to look at a summary of an article. So let's pick an article here and take a look at what's offered. So this is one article. You can see the bibliographic information, where this article was published and when, and you can read an abstract about this article and decide whether or not you want to read the full text. Up here we have a link to the full text of this article. So this will probably take us to the publisher's website, where we can obtain a copy of this article in a PDF usually format. And then you might want to take note that you can use a citation generator. So if you click the cite button, this little box will pop up, and you can change the citation format. PubMed offers AMA, APA, MLA, and NLM. There's a button here to copy these citations, and then you can paste them into your list of references. And then another good feature of these summary pages that should not be neglected is if you scroll down these pages, you will get lists like similar articles. So this is very useful. If you find an article that is very good, you can look through the similar articles to find articles that are, as the title suggests, similar to the article that you're looking at. You can also see who cited this article, and you can usually see a list of the references with often links to the summary pages for those articles in PubMed. And then lastly, you might want to take a look at these MESH terms. MESH stands for medical subject headings. This is a controlled language that describes this article. So maybe take a note of some of the words that are being used to describe this article, and then you can use those in further searches to further refine your search results. So to wrap things up, if you need any further assistance with your PubMed searches, please reach out to the library. Our contact information is on our website, which I will link in the description. And also, if you come across articles in PubMed that do not have a link to the full text, you can request that the library order that article for you. It's completely free. So go to our website, and under request forms, you'll find a link for the interlibrary loan form, and it's actually here under this box request forms, and you'll see interlibrary loan. It's a Google form. You simply fill out the bibliographic information. It is sent to the library, and we will order the article for you. It's completely free. All right, so that's all from on PubMed. Happy searching.